Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu, go to All Applications list and find ACER Sense right here. If you cannot find ACER Sense in this menu, you have to go to the Settings instead, go to Windows Update, check if your device has any updates, and also go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and check if you have any inside updates in here, and if you do, then download and install them. After that, this application will appear on your computer because it has to be pre-installed on your device, and if it's not on the list of your applications, that means that your device isn't up to date. Okay, so open this application, then tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, go to Checkup, and in Checkup you'll see the battery menu. Click Check and wait until the battery is checked, and here you can see the battery health status. As you can see, for me it's good, and here you have some additional tips on how to improve your battery health. So for the first one, do not keep the battery fully charged for a long time, and you can change the battery life to optimized battery charging. And so basically that's how you check your battery health. Now the other way, if you want to check your battery overall health, is to open the Start menu again, then search for CMD application. Once you find this command prompt, run it as administrator, then click yes. Then input the power CFG / battery report command, enter it, and you'll get this path. Select it, then right click to copy it, then open your web browser, then input this path and press enter. And on the following page you'll be able to find all the information about your battery, like usage, tables and graphs, and the main information that we're looking for is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. So if you want to see how worn out your laptop is, just compare the design capacity to the full charge capacity. And as you can see, the design capacity, which is basically the original capacity of your battery that it used to have when your device was shipped to you, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity that your laptop can take. So as you can see, the design capacity is slightly higher than the full charge, so battery is more or less healthy right now. But over time this number will go low, and at the point at which you feel uncomfortable with using your battery because of its capacity amount, then you have to simply replace your battery. And so that's how you check your battery health. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.